Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be talking about why I took a break from YouTube. So because a lot of things happen, so I have to take a break. First, my daughter wasn't feeling well and I had to take her to the hospital, and that period, that was the time I was doing my detox diet, 21 days detox diet plan. Although when I was doing my diet plan, it wasn't easy at all with her because stopping her breastfeeding was not an easy thing at all. I tried my best for that 1 week I did to stop her breastfeeding. She didn't want to stop. In the night, she don't sleep. So I just had to start giving her breast again. But that 1 week I did my 21 days detox diet plan. It actually worked. And I lost about 4 kilos. I wish I continued with it. I would have at least lost a lot, but I had to stop because I started giving my daughter breast milk again. The tea, the wild tea and the juice plus I was taking, it worked for me. The video I uploaded this week was the 1 week video of my diet plan that I did. It's been on my YouTube for a while, but because I stopped my detox diet plan, so I was just like, should I put it or should I not put it? Because I stopped, I just decided I should just upload it at least to show you guys the results. I started breastfeeding again, like I said, so I'm still breastfeeding now. My daughter, I don't want to be taking the tea and as well breastfeeding at the same time. Although they said the tea is good and the juice plus is good even if you are breastfeeding, but I don't want to try it. Because what I take is what I give to my daughter, so I have to be careful what I'm taking. And also during this period as well, I was doing a lot of schoolwork as well because I have to submit my dissertation. There's a lot of word count. Just concentrate on one first before I continue with the other ones. So I just said, let me just leave YouTube for now. And now I'm done with my school. I'm so happy, very happy. I've submitted on my work and oh my god, it wasn't easy at all with 2 kids studying at the same time and doing my diet plan at the same time. I cannot do everything at one go. I actually lose some weight. You can see my previous video and now. So yeah, I changed my YouTube name. My YouTube name now is Osas Space, not Osas Family TV anymore. The reason I changed my YouTube name was because I said family, Osas Family. I'm supposed to be putting lots of video about my family, but instead I wasn't putting a video of family. I just put family video like once in a while. So I just decided it's not my channel is not all about my family, so I should just change the name. So I decided to just put Osas Space so that I can put any video I want to put of my choice. Because I don't drink water so I got a water bottle. I saw it from one of my friends and I got it, and since then I'll be drinking a lot of water. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. This is what I'm talking about. It's very big. This is 2.5 liter. It's very big. Sometimes when I open a full bottle of water, I don't drink like 2.5, even 2 liter a day, maybe half of it, like 1 liter a day. But since I got this, I drink a lot of water. You can see here they wrote, good morning, have a nice day, remember your goals, come on, drink more, never say never, almost there, you made it. Like 7 a.m, 9 a.m, 11 a.m, 1 p.m, 3 p.m, 5 p.m, 7 p.m, and the last one is 9 p.m. I'm going to put a link under this video in case you are interested. So with this, I drink a lot of water a lot of water, so I'm so happy about it. So that is all what I'm going to be talking about for today. So I'm going to try to be uploading consistently now because I'm back. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Please leave comment down below what you think and any idea of what I'm like talking about. So yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.